And I'd like to welcome back Eileen Ordway today. She is here for the Village Library, and it's great to have you back today. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Always nice to be here.
Last time you were on, we were talking about how to go on the website and review books.
Yes.
And this time, we're doing sort of the other part to that. How do people go into the website and search for books that have been reviewed,
right,
which can be a lot of fun.
Yeah, so we hope so.
Yeah.
And I couldn't even really talk about that last time because we didn't have enough things reviewed to search for.
Is it building?
We have 57 things so far.
Okay. Well, that's good because the program hasn't been going on that long.
No. Only a month.
Yeah.
So that's pretty good.
That's very impressive.
A lot of it's from library people, but that's good.
That's fine.
They have a lot of opinions about books and DVDs. So it's good.
No, that's fine. I think that's fantastic. So we're going to go through the different steps to searching for reviewed titles. And so we're going to show the website. And the first slide here is where you need to start.
Right on our homepage, on our catalog, which you can get to from the Laguna Woods Village website. Mm-hmm. Either we're listed under amenities and also under clubs. And we have a link to this catalog website.
And I want to say that's the best way to go because it's sort of a convoluted title.
Yes, it is. Yes, because it's through a vendor and
but this is the best way to go. So
just going through the Village website and going to our link, it works very smoothly. So you don't have to actually create a review, you have to log into your own account. But to search for things, you do not.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
So boom, the first thing is under the search field, there's more search options in yellow there, and you just select that.
Okay. So that's the first step.
Yes, so then this screen pops up and there's, you can narrow your search, but just to start, under keywords, that's the very first line there, you select the little down arrow that's next to keywords.
Okay, and when you select that,
then it opens up this list of things that you can search by. So if you go 6th down in the list and pick reviewed, when you select that little drop-down list goes away and you hit search, and then this gives you the list of all things that have reviews or ratings.
Okay, and that's
just that simple.
That's simple. Now, of course, right now you don't have many, but maybe if the day comes you have hundreds.
Right. Then I'll show later how you narrow the search.
Right.
Now, so every one of the reviewed items has a little star next to the name. So even if you were searching for, let's say, Patterson, and the list came up of just Patterson titles, some of them will have stars, maybe to show that they have a review. But it's not the most robust search for these. Like you can't go and say, oh, how many have 10 out of 10 rating, or so that's to me a little limiting. But so anything that does have a review or a rating will show up on this list.
Okay, and that you said includes DVDs?
Anything that's in our catalog.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
That's nice. So then when you go to here.
Yeah, just one more thing.
Okay, let's go to the next slide and then, more.
No, if you could go back.
Okay, go back, I guess, if you could.
Just one more comment I wanted to make.
Okay.
So that blue line across the top, those are the titles of those columns. You can select each of those fields to sort the list.
Okay, that's good
So
to know.
like at the end, there's the date, that's the copyright date. So you could sort it to see the newest items. You could sort it by the title. The location field on the left-hand side, that's our call number. And that can tell you whether it's a DVD, anything with a number in front is nonfiction, that type of thing. So that's an option.
And as you said at this point, maybe it'll change. You would like to see, like next to the title, those stars, instead of 1 star, you could see 5 stars.
Yeah, that would be nice. Whether they'll do that or not, I don't know. So, so then you would pick one of those line items, and then it expands. So, and this gives you all the information about this title that we have in our system. And if you select that Show Reviews button, it expands even further to show you the reviews that have been written for this. So this one actually has 2 reviews. This book is about the Los Angeles Library fire I'm not sure when. It's always out, so I haven't had a chance to read it myself
I
yet.
didn't know anything about that.
But it's pretty far, you know, back in, well, 1986, it does say that there. Yeah.
But anyway, yeah, there's something I just learned.
Yeah, so apparently the people who have read it, they're raving about it.
Yeah.
And it tells you a lot about how libraries work and also this book. So that's how you would open it up to see what people have written. Or like there, it says the rating is 10 out of 10. So these two people really like this book.
Oh, so there when you open the book, now you're going to get, okay.
But you not early. You can't say, oh, only show me things that have a 10 out of 10 rating.
Okay.
Because there actually is a book that has a 4 out of 10 rating. It's the President is Missing, the James Patterson, Bill Clinton book, and I'd have to agree with that.
Okay.
So there are some things that are not well reviewed on here.
All right, so the, and then the next slide we're going to see.
This then, when you go back, when you open up the more search options right at the beginning, you can pick additional sort options.
Okay.
So here we've already picked reviewed, and then the next one down you can pick, do the down arrow next to that, it'll open up a list and you can pick material type.
Okay.
Then that opens up on the right hand side and we have like you can pick DVDs, you can pick fiction, biography, we have a list of things you can choose. So in this case we picked DVD, and then we even narrowed it further to say a subject. Now that you can just put in whatever you want. So in this case, the resulting list is all TV series, DVDs with ratings or reviews.
Oh, okay. So you really can get it down.
You can get it down.
That's good.
More than, the whole entire list. So there's a way to narrow the search. Now these, I think most of these reviews were written by Bob Bauman, who's on your Trading Post
good old
show.
Bob.
Yeah, he likes the oldies. The oldies and
really?
good.
I didn't know that.
Goodies. Yeah. Yes.
And if it's in black and white, even better.
Yes.
I have a question. You mentioned that this is like a service that you use. So is this a company or a nonprofit that works with smaller libraries throughout the country?
Yes.
Is that how this
works?
Okay.
Yeah. They have, quite a few libraries all over the country.
Okay.
Some of them are like, Orange County I don't think does, but they're government funded.
Right.
And others are private like ours.
Okay. Well, very good. This makes it, I think it's really a lot of fun.
Yeah, I hope people will.
And I think people are so
used
to reviews. If you do anything online, everything has reviews to it. And I think be able to narrow it down to the community that you live in. I think that's kind of neat.
Yes, because we have a unique community here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot to ask, and I didn't notice there or not, on the reviews, do people put their names?
They can.
They can?
Or they can put a nickname, or they can leave it blank.
Okay.
It's up to them.
It's not required?
No.
Okay.
Now, when they write the review, it has to come through us, and we have to approve it. Then that does show us who put in the review. But then once we submit it and say, yes, this is acceptable.
Yeah, you want to make sure there's nothing derogatory
one more thing.
or something.
We have a staff picks set of shelves right up in the front in the library. This month, it's going to be all the items that have reviews that are actually in.
Okay.
22 of them are out right now.
Wow.
So yeah, that's pretty good.
And we want to mention to folks that you will be closed on the 21st for Martin Luther King Day, and then January 21st. And then your book sale, it's not until March, and March 9th. So we'll mention that because Eileen will be back on at least one more time before then.
Yes.
Good to see you. I love this.
You too. Me too.
Yeah,
Me
you
too.
guys
I hope
do
it
great
picks
work
up.
over there.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be right back.